Sen. Rafi,
7.
the February 22 or 23 or 24 was when Ridwan found the job ad from a post on Facebook.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Apo.
So what
His-
was the date that he arrived?
He flew to the
at Manila?
Philippines from Jakarta on March 7. And then he left
I mean, the night that he arrived in the Philippines,
March 7,
March 7,
2023.
and what time
Yes.
was it?
A little past midnight.
Okay, so
Yes.
can we pull the CCTV footage of that particular day, particular night, so we can identify that person, as Mr. Vidwan said, was wearing a green apple vest?
So can we ask Mr. Chong also to all right. For the record, Sen. Rafi and friends, there is no CCTV. The committee already requested that,
Oh.
but there is no
Then
CCTV.
why not?
Madam Chair,
But wala.
Madam
So
Chair,
Mr. Chong, yes, if you could
Uh,
answer the question of Sen. Rafi, bakit
The-
walang CCTV? And then also the question of the chair. So kaninong uniforme yung apple green vest, navy blue pants, and white shirt? Kaninong jurisdiction yung taong yon? Yes, Mr. Chong.
yes, good morning, Mr. Senator, Madam Chair. To answer the request for CCTV po, we received the letter from your staff yesterday, and the request was for March 8. No? Unfortunately po, yung retention period ng CCTV ho ng MIAA is only for 30 days. So
30
yung
days.
March 8 po, hindi po namin, wala na ho kaming copy po. Hindi na
Yung ba
po siya
talagang
kasi-
patakaran hanggang 30 days lang?
Yes, sir.
Why 30 days only?
Yun lang po.
Why not 3 months? Why not 5 months?
Sir, for now, sir, yun po yung storage capability po ng CCTV ng MIAA.
Well, you need to
GM
upgrade. You need to
Yes.
upgrade.
That's one of the things that we're looking at, sir.
Indeed, we need to upgrade GM Chong, as Sen. Rafi is saying, kasi napakalaking problema
Or
nitong human trafficking. Tapos isang buwan pa lamang burado na yung CCTV. So talagang mapapaano ba yan ang mga
Or-
taong concerned dito?
Madam
Yes,
Chair,
Sen.
that
Rafi.
was done intentionally not to upgrade because they have plans. A bad scheme like this in cahoots with other airport authorities to come up with a scam, human trafficking that is,
Hindi naman ho siguro.
to get
sir.
away with.
That's why we're reviewing the...
Hindi nga sir, sorry Mr.
storage.
Chong. Tatagalugin ko na lang. Kaya siguro hindi nyo in-upgrade at talagang sinadya nyo na only 30 days as opposed to 3 months or 6 months dahil sinadya nyo, nakita kayo ng butas na kapag 30 days lang, hindi masasapol ang mga kabalastugan na nangyayari dyan sa loob ng NAIA.
GM Chong, reasonableng pagtatanong iyan dahil nga sa ating sitwasyon. So could you please address that?